teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am here to share my opinion about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In few words, I will take your some time. Please give me attention. My name is Sabra from Maubahar. The Prophet said if Hazrat Musa had been alive, he had no of the Prophet said if Hazrat Musa had been alive, the Prophet said if Hazrat Musa had been alive, he had no option but to follow me. Hazrat Muhammad was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. He is an embodiment of mercy for all mankind. All the Prophet guided the humans, but Muhammad brought the revelation. His example is in the history of mankind. Our love for the Prophet involves not only the devotion and passion for him, but to follow his teachings. The Quran and Sunnah are basis our religion, holy lifestyle of the Prophet guided in us our individual collective life. If we want to get success in the life and the life effort, what we should follow his teachings, the Quran, follow his teachings, that the holy lifestyle. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.